whenever we define folk dance, what do we talk about folk dance? Folk dances are dances from various states. Folk dances talk about every Indian state has its own ways of celebrating customs, traditions and festivals, correct? That's exactly what folk dances are. The purpose of the folk dances to, when there is a folk festival, that is a folk dance. Okay? Is there any folk festival in December? No. Anything in November, after Diwali, there is no festival happening in the Hindu mythology. But in the month of Jan, the festivals start. Why? According to the space thing, there's something called winter solstice and summer solstice. Winter solstice is when the day is the night is the longest and day is the shortest. Okay? And that brings about the change of seasons too. Alright? And the zodiac, Capricorn, steps into Makar. It's something which you have to remember. It's there are various zodiac signs. Somebody will say, if you're born in June, you're a Cancerian, you're a Gemini. If you're born in January, like that will be different things. If you're born in October, you're a Libran. If you're born in August, you're a Leo.
I'm a Libran. What am I? I'm a Libran.
I don't know. Your June, when? Which is the date?
June 21st.
Then you are a Cancerian like Auntie.
What's the
That's a sign. Okay, so Cancer. Okay, so when the Capricorn comes into Makar, okay, in the celestial cycle, in the space cycle, when the zodiac sign Capricorn comes into Makar, we have something called Makar Sankranti. That is the first festival that comes during January. Every culture celebrates it. People in South India call it Pongal or Sankranti. People in North India call it Baisakhi, or they call it Uttaran in Gujarat. Okay, and how do they celebrate it? They thank all the farmers, thank the Mother Earth and pray to her that please, because when winter comes, everything becomes dry. That is, all our plants die, right? So they pray that when spring comes, this time we should have more rain, more crops, and we should have everything should be nice and fertile. Okay, so that is the reason Sankranti is celebrated. It's a harvest festival where the farmers pray to the Mother Earth, pray to the Sun God, pray to the Rain God that we should have good crop season. And for us folk dancers, that is the start of the folk festivals. January comes that, February comes Vasant Panchami. That Vasant Panchami is when you celebrate, you thank Mother Goddess Saraswati. She is the goddess of education, art and culture. And folk dance is a part of art, right? So you thank Saraswati. It is art. Art and culture. This folk dances. Listen to me. So in the month of February, Vasant Panchami comes. Very big celebration everywhere. Bengal it's very big, Gujarat it is very big, and Vasant Panchami means start of spring. So you thank Goddess Saraswati on that day. But hope this year I'm blessed with good education, good dances, good everything. Okay? So that's why it's important for us folk dancers. I'm telling you most easiest words. Alright? At the same time, Vasant Panchami is the day that you pray to the god of love, Kama, goddess of love, Rati. Okay? How come love? There's some festival of love which happens in February too. See how we are connected? Vasant Panchami happens in India, Valentine's happens in the US. Basically what? All of us celebrate the same purpose. Okay, so that's how we are all connected. Now that spring has come, what comes in the month of March?
Holi.
Because of the celebration of colors. In the month of February, start of spring, you don't see flowers. But by the month of March, you see a lot of flowers everywhere. And that's why the festival Holi, we play with so many colors. The colors that we are playing are the colors of the nature. The blue sky, the green grass, the pink flowers, the yellow grass.
The blue one.
See, all those colors we play in Holi. That's why it's called the festival of spring. What is the story behind Holi?
I know.
Lord Krishna.
God Krishna was asking Yashoda why is Radha so fair, and then Yashoda said that you can go put colors on Radha. And then
Okay, that is a story, but there's another story is Lord Krishna danced the first Ras Leela with the gopis.
What's a glass blue?
Dandiya.
Oh.
Okay, that's how it's connected to us folk dancers. You have to see what is connection with the folk dancers. Okay, but there's another festival that comes in the month of February is Shivratri.
Oh.
Why is Shivratri important to us? Who's the Lord of Dance? Nataraja. Whose other name is Shiva. Whose other name is Maheshwara. Whose other name is Om Namah Shiva. Okay, on the day of Shivratri, Shiva was married to Parvati and they did the first Ananda Tandava, which means happy dance. That's when dance was born. So that's how it is related to us folk dancers. Got it? So the month of Jan Sankranti, Vaisakhi, Uttaran, and the start of the season, month of February, Vasant Panchami and Shivratri, month of March, Holi. Got it? Now next week you will have to tell me the story. Not story, this facts. The best thing is to write down month of January, month of February, month of March. Write down the festivals and write down what it means. Okay, yeah, that's it.